Dogecoin could fall 3.2% tomorrow, as predicted by 30 rates. To start off, here's where the market currently stands. Dogecoin has advanced by 0.4% today and is currently hovering around $0.10054. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. 30 rates expects the price to reach $0.0974 by March 19, a retreat of approximately 3.2%. Dogecoin is expected to reach $0.09788 per coin data flow, marking a fall of around 2.7%. CoinLore points out it might fall to $0.0994, roughly 1.2% lower than now. A separate outlook released by cryptonization projects Dogecoin could test $0.10044 on the downside, a decline of approximately 0.1%. And in closing, Gov Capital Collector expects $0.10401 by March 19, representing a gain of 3.4%. This forecast has the highest return potential. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. Now that we've seen the forecasts, here's the breakdown. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decrease of 3.2% and an increase of 3.4%, depending on the analyst. So in the end, Gov Capital Collector has the top forecast with 3.4% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could pocket between $1 and $34 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, cryptonization has the most dependable forecast, showing a 96.6% chance of success. Out of the 5 separate forecasts, I've built one consensus scenario. The consensus perspective places Dogecoin at about $0.09983. Let's take a closer look. The consensus projection places the price down about 0.7%. And by that identical percentage, your capital may also grow. On 1,000, that outcome could suggest roughly $7 more. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Dogecoin is about 95.5%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecasts before moving on. 30 rates highlights that Dogecoin could head higher. CoinDataFlow suggests Dogecoin will retreat from current levels. Dogecoin is projected to gain further, CoinLore also suggests. Cryptonization signals no significant movement ahead. Gov Capital Collector expects downward momentum to persist. The consensus forecast highlights a neutral outlook, keeping Dogecoin in a narrow trading range over this horizon. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Dogecoin could continue trending higher in the near term. 2 days ago, 5 predictions came out. Let's check how they lined up with yesterday's move. At the end of the day, the market recorded $0.10015. Given how the market closed, all 5 forecasts aligned with the direction. If accuracy decides, then CoinDataFlow was the most on point. Here comes the breakdown. The candle limits contain 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, every forecast showed gains, and 30 rates achieved the top result of 2.6%. And here's the daily recap. The full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. Digital coin price reached 3,184,178,936 accuracy, while forecast probability was 76.2% and ROI 1.3%. Take a closer look and decide who was the most accurate. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across several coins to see where Dogecoin stands. Tomorrow's projection puts Dogecoin in 4th place, while Polkadot records 1.8% in expected performance. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while the extended comparison of many crypto returns will also be added to the site and Telegram soon. Okay friends, that's all. Subscribe now so you don't lose track of the sequence. See you around.